Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gopi Chandran. So today we are going to discuss about short straddle and short strangle. So we are combining both short straddles and short strangle for a monthly income strategy. So why we are taking short straddle? As you know, short straddle is what? It's selling ATMs, right? So we are selling call and put. Okay, call and put. Why we are taking this straddle? We are taking this straddle strategy because we get max theta benefit. So once you get max theta benefit means you are getting good theta benefit in straddle. And why you are choosing short strangle? Short strangle gives you a very wide range. So for example, if market is at 16,500, you get a wide range. You can select a wide range of 15,800 to 17,000. So you get a wide range in this strangle and you get maximum theta benefit in this straddles, right? So that is why we are taking both this strategy. So in this strategy video, we are combining both these strategies to get the maximum benefit. So there are three rules for entering into this strategy. So the first rule is you have to select 0.2 delta. Okay, so 0.2 delta means, for example, if market is 16,500, you have to select, this is just an example, okay, so 15,800 is having 0.2 delta. Okay, I will show you the actual figures in the payoff graph. So here 15,800 is having 0.2 delta and 17,000 is having 0.2 delta. So what you have to do? You have to sell this call. This is put, right? This put you have to sell and you have to sell the call of 17,000. This is what? This is similar to strangles, right? This is short strangle. Okay, so once you are selecting this short strangle, you have to take 0.2 delta. Okay, 0.2 delta, 20 delta. And the rule number two is, if the spot price is 16,500, you have to sell 16,500 call and 16,500 put. Okay, so in this, now we have got, this is what? Strangle, short strangle. This is short straddle, right? So we have added these two strategies. Now the loss is unlimited. As you know, the loss will be unlimited. So if you are willing to take the risk of these two, okay, short straddle and short strangle, you can enter in this strategy. And there is one more option. This is unlimited risk, right? So you want to take a limited risk strategy. Now in this, we will check the break-even levels. So you have to select 0.2 delta. So just to make you thorough with this strategy, again I am telling you, you have to select 0.2 delta. Okay, 0.2 delta means 15,800. Where you will get this delta and all? You will get the delta in option chain. Okay, you will get the delta in option chain. So you have to select which one is having 0.2 delta. For example, I have taken 15,800 as put as 0.2 delta and 17,000 as call delta. Okay, so first you have to select the strangle. After that you have to select the straddle. Okay, at the money. Now 16,500 call and 16,500 put. After selecting this, you will get a break-even levels. Now if you get the break-even levels, you have to buy call. Okay, you have to check the break-even levels. So in this case, if the break-even levels is at, let's assume break-even levels is at 15,700 or 15,600. This is just an example for you to understand. Okay, so whatever is the break-even level, you have to buy from there. Okay, 2 lots of call and put. Buy 2 lots. Okay, so in this example, if 15,600 is the break-even level of put, you have to buy 2 lots, and 17,200 is the break-even level, you have to buy 2 lots. So this is how you can enter into this strategy. Okay, so I'll show you how the payoff graph looks like. The payoff graph. So this will be the payoff graph. So what happens in short straddle payoff graph? It will look like this, right? So we get maximum benefit only from here. And what is the payoff graph of the strangle? It looks like this, right? So we get maximum benefit only here. The benefit will be very less because it's a wider range, we won't get maximum benefit. In this straddle we get only at the maximum point, and in this strategy we get benefit all over here. So that is why we are selecting this strategy. And once you buy in the break even levels, it will be a limited loss strategy. Okay, so this strategy you can apply as a monthly income strategy. So now I will show you how you can select the payoff graph for this strategy. So let's get into the video. So friends, now let's see how we can select this strategy. Okay, so I have taken Opstra options. In Opstra options we have taken strategy builder. Okay, so this expiry is 26 so August, so I am not taking 26 August, I am taking 30th September expiry. Okay, so we have got more than 1 month. Okay, so in this strategy, as I told you, first we have to select 0.2 delta. Okay, so 0.2 delta on the put side, 0.2 and less than 0.2. Okay, so it should this is 20.85, so we are choosing 19.15 here. Okay, so first you have to select 15900 put option, which is having 0.2 delta, 20 delta. Okay, again on the same side we have to select the call option also, call option which is having 20 delta. Okay, this is 20.99, we can choose 70,050. Okay, same we have chosen one lot. Okay, so now I'll show you what is the demerit of this triangle. This is triangle, right? As you know, this is short triangle. See, we have got only 6,000 points, 6,800. See the break even levels, 15,763 and 17,187. So there is no benefit which you are getting from this strategy. Okay, so if you are a person who is doing triangle strategies on a monthly basis, this will help you a lot, this strategy will help you a lot. Okay, so now we are taking on the second rule, we are taking at the money option. So in this case market is 16,500, 496, so we are taking 16,500. So again same way we are selling call option and on put option also, 16,500 put option also. So now let's see what will be the payoff graph. Okay, this we are selling again. Now let's see what is the payoff graph. Okay, so now we have got a wider range of payoff graph, same like 15,878 and 17. There is no a big difference what we have seen in the triangle. Okay, so this you can select. This is the first way you can enter into this strategy. So you can enter in this strategy if you are willing to take a risk. Okay, the risk is what? This risk is undefined. You get a good break even levels, 15,878 and 17,97. You can also do the adjustment here. Okay, so if the market moves either direction, you can close this levels, call and put option at this levels, and you can shift here. So that also you can do here. Okay, and the other thing is, if you are not at all ready to take any risk and you want to enter into the strategy, you can choose this break even levels. So in this case 15,800 and 17,100, right? 15,800 and 17,000 will be the break even levels. So 15,800. Okay, 15,800. Now if you are choosing the break even levels, you can choose two options, two lots. Okay, so once you select two lots, 15,800 and 17,000, 17,100, right? So 17,100, two lots. Okay, so if you are choosing two lots, again this will be a little similar to a iron fly strategy. Okay, so but iron fly strategy will not give you this much profit. There will be a difference in the profit. Okay, so the risk reward is also very good in this strategy, 1:1.08, 16,085 and 16,915 is the break even levels. So if you compare this with iron fly, this is little more benefit because this gives you max profit level. The max profit levels is good. Okay, when you compare to iron fly. If you are not willing to take risk, you can add this
2 legs. And if you want to lower your risk, okay, by one lot, you can do that also. So let's see. Once you do that, it will not be a big difference. If you want in one side, you can do like this, okay. And if you think the market will go up from here, it will be a like sideways bullish, so you can do like this. And again, if you are thinking that you are okay with one lot each, if we are decreasing by one lot, you can see that see again, if from the break even level, again if it goes to 15,000 also, the max loss will be almost similar, okay. So max loss will be how much? Same 20 year is 15,800. Okay, so from here, if again market goes 16,500, again market goes to 15,500, it will be almost the same, like 25,000 will be the loss. Okay, so if you are willing to take this risk, you can make one lot each. And if you are willing to take full risk, you can delete this too and you can enter in this strategy. Okay, so hope you like this video. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.